I'm Emmett Reed, Executive Director of Florida Healthcare Association. Welcome to another edition of FHCA's Provider Program. This week's Lobby Wednesday brought together current and past class members of FHCA's Florida leaders who use the advocacy skills they learned as part of this valuable leadership development training. Okay, it's bright and early on Lobby Wednesday. I'm Emmett Reed here with Siobhan Chester, a veteran of Lobby Wednesdays, a Florida leader. How many Lobby Wednesdays have you been to?
This is my fourth Lobby Wednesday.
Oh my goodness, well that's fantastic. So you're a true pro and you're ready to charge the hill. Do you see obviously you see the value in Lobby Wednesdays. Tell us why.
Absolutely. I think it's so important for us to go to our legislators and let them know what we do every single day. When we first started coming to Lobby Wednesday, we used to bring photographs of our residents that had posters that said, "I love my representative, I love my senator," because we really wanted the representatives and the senators to know that our residents know what they're doing and that we're holding them accountable for their actions here in the Capitol.
What was your motivation for applying for Florida Leader?
Just seeing the work that people like you, Mr. Reed, and Kristen do here in the Capitol, I wanted to be more involved with Florida healthcare, and I wanted to hone my skills as a professional, and I figured Florida Leaders was the way to go. Also with us, we're dedicated caregivers from Genesis Healthcare, and this kind of enthusiasm is why we love hosting Lobby Wednesdays week after week.
Hello everybody, my name is Maya Perez and I'm the Center Executive Director at West Bay Center of Tampa. Behind me I have my lovely team and Emmeline representing Sunset Point, and we are here today for Lobby Wednesday. We want our voices heard about healthcare reform and all the things that help contribute to how we take care of our seniors on a day-to-day basis. We are Genesis Strong!
The success of these Lobby Wednesdays would not be possible without our sponsors, Bouchard Insurance, Medline Industries, and Healthcare Professional Consulting Services. FHCA continues to work legislation resulting from the aftermath of Hurricane Irma. Along with urging lawmakers to ratify the emergency power rules, we're supporting the Senate budget that includes a funding increase to cover the cost of generators and the House tax package that would give centers a tax break when purchasing those generators. Much of our legislative advocacy includes sharing stories about the hurricane heroes in our member centers who kept their residents safe throughout the storm. We had a chance to catch up with Florida Leader sponsor Lucas McCurdy of Coastal Reconstruction Group, who emphasized those positive stories from an outsider's perspective.
One of the things that we saw that came after Hurricane Irma, we had a 650 mile wide storm hit our entire state. And quite candidly, as a partner to the industry, I was extremely worried and apprehensive about what we would find. And I would say this, we found people that were incredibly taken care of. We saw teams of people in the industry going above and beyond to make sure that safety was the top priority for these residents. We talked to people in these communities and facilities, and we heard nothing but amazing reports. From a partner's perspective, we have nothing but great things to say because we actually saw what was taking place. And I just think that that story has been lost and it needs to be told.
With just a few weeks remaining, remember to use our mobile app, visit our Engage website, and follow us on social media to stay informed. Until next time, I'm Emmett Reed, keeping you informed about the critical issues that impact long-term care and the providers we represent.